Guangdong Ideal New Materials Co., Limited, specializes in chemical powder materials, providing stable and reliable solutions for a wide range of industries. Headquartered in Foshan, Guangdong, Ideal focuses on market development, sales service, and customer support, connecting customers with the market through professional and efficient service. Guizhou Dexuan Material Technology Co., Limited, located in Guizhou, is responsible for the company's R&D, production, and quality control, and serves as its core R&D and manufacturing platform. The company owns 3 barite mines in Guizhou and Guangxi, providing stable raw material support. From mining to manufacturing, we place strong emphasis on quality control. The Guizhou Dexuan base covers about 34,000 square meters and integrates mineral processing, R&D, production, packaging, quality inspection, storage, and loading. With 4 production lines and a monthly capacity of up to 20,000 tons. Stainless steel equipment helps ensure purity and stable quality. Our main products include barium sulfate, titanium dioxide, and calcite, with annual output of about 200,000 tons, 50,000 tons, and 100,000 tons, respectively. They are widely used in coatings, plastics, rubber, paper making, ceramics, metallurgy, and oil and gas drilling. From raw material inspection to process control and finished product testing, the company has established a strict quality management system. The laboratory is equipped for particle size, whiteness, heavy metal, moisture, and pH testing. Each batch undergoes 3 random inspections, with samples and reports retained for full traceability. The company has passed ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and ISO 45001 certifications, and its products comply with RoHS and REACH requirements. Strong warehousing, loading, and supply chain management ensures stable delivery and fast response. Our products have been sold to more than 20 countries and regions, and we have established offices and warehousing points in Indonesia and Vietnam. Looking ahead, Ideal will continue to focus on the chemical powder materials industry, providing customers with stable and reliable products and service support.